let's see two easy methods to count the unique values in a column. Now, if you're anything like me and you've Googled this, maybe you saw a bunch of explanations and formulas out there that are pretty complicated and pretty hard to understand, and maybe you just need to see really quickly how many unique values you have in a column. You don't need complicated formulas, you don't need a headache, you just need to see a number and move on with your work. And let me show you how to do it with two methods. First method is going to be with a pivot table. I have some data right here, some students, and I have some duplicate values, and I would like to see how many unique students I have in this table. And all I have to do is select all the data from column A, go to Insert, and select Pivot Table. And with the Create Pivot Table wizard, I'm going to change the option right here to be Existing Worksheet, and the location is going to be cell E2. So I'm going to create a pivot table in cell E2. I'm going to click OK. And next, I have to select the student field over here and move it to rows. And when we do that, you can see that we have selected only the unique students from this list right here. And if we want to see really quickly a count, we can just we can select the values. And if we look down here below on the right, you can see that we have 10 values. That's a really simple way to do it. Another one would be to select all the data that you have and copy it somewhere else. And with that, we're going to select the column. We're going to go to data. We're going to go to the data tools section over here and click on remove duplicates. We're going to click OK. And just like that, Excel is going to tell us that it found 112 duplicate values and they were removed. And now we have 11 unique values. This is obviously including the students table right here. But without that, we have our 10 unique students. That's it. That's how you do it. No need for a complicated formula. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please hit the like button. And if you have any type of questions, please leave them in the comments below.